You're welcome to our program, Building Creative Minds for Synergy. Once again, today we're looking at Ethnic Crisis Part 6. I am your uncle, Sir Bam Bam. Stay tuned, we'll be back.
As a life coach, Sir Bam Bam champions a holistic course of raising captains of industry, exposing people to self-discovery, and influencing businessmen into entrepreneurial synergy to build multi-global organizations, businesses, and empires. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more info. Thank you.
You're welcome to our program, Building Creative Minds for Synergy. Topic, Ethnic Crisis Part 6. Today we shall be looking at how founding fathers of all great societies found and established their societies with different ethnics to make it a corporate society. These are people who are patriotic to their nations. And you can differentiate that from our own back here in Nigeria. Well, we're talking about the United States of America. Of course, it's an attractive society where all of us wish to seek refuge, to go to live. In fact, some of us, if you have visa lottery to US, you go to a place of worship, give testimony, shut down your street, hold party, as if you're going to heaven. Let me bring to notice that human beings build that place. And if we are willing to turn the tides around, we can do it as well. Back here in Nigeria, we have everything it takes here in Nigeria to rule the world and to build the world in the next 20 centuries without threats of lack. The problem we have is that we are just very confused that we cannot put our stencils together because of a foundation laid by our founding fathers, the boys. The United States of America, like we said in the last episode, assembled people from different continents of the world into one place. And the current place where the United States of America is established, they met a people in the place who were already residing and dwelling in this place, kind of like sons of a soil. They call them the Red Indians. The likes of George Washington, D.C., Benjamin Franklin, Alexander Hamilton, etc., that founded the United States of America over 200 years before Nigeria was founded. As far back as that, they saw the confusion that would erupt or that would disrupt in that place if they don't put things in order. And all they said was a policy they enacted. They said, kill the Indian and save the man. Meaning, it's an allegoric word. Meaning, whatever will make the Red Indian will meet in this place see themselves as the sons of the soil or superior to every other person we brought to this place. Talk about the traditions of the people at the time should be killed, and all Americans are equal. Even after decades upon decades, several governments came into power and they almost reversed, if not, permit me to use that word, they almost reversed the case. Court clears it. I'm talking about the enaction of segregation law in the United States of America. It worries the land, and the ones they brought to the land over time were considered as slaves. The most surprising is the fact that it's a law, and here what we're going through is not a law. Every citizen of this country, because of a seed of discord, because of the wickedness they planted into us by our founding fathers' wickedness, we boldly declare all over the streets that we are not one, and this will tell you we are not one. I ask, what makes you think we are not one? All the feats they gave us is lie. That we are not one, we are this. I think we'll be talking about culture. You'll be surprised to understand what makes culture. Because at the top of the site, this is what almost everybody is quoting. Our culture is not the same. I don't know if it's as a result of lack of exposure or education, etc., that is really tying us down, that our level of education is too low in the country. I don't know if that is the case or the reason why we are not able to sort out this situation. And to our shock, since Nigeria began and all of this problem in the land, we are killing ourselves every day, no single person has been able to come out to take up this cause to resolve our ethnic crisis in the land. As it were in the United States of America, just as I was talking, King Martin Luther Jr. woke up one day to fight the cause. And imagine what he came up with. Brotherhood. He was not fighting to defend his section. He fought for the defense of the entire land. He fought for the defense and the building of the nation, to reverse the new law impounded by the wicked leaders of the time, back to what the founding fathers of the United States of America established. Then he came up with the vision, or the dream, as we popularly call it, that I have a dream that one day my 4 little kids will have a place to call their own, where they will no longer be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. The content of their character, color of the skin, is talking about sincerity and talking about the generality of the United States of America, not the blacks. If he had fought for the blacks, it would have been fraternity. What he fought for and established was brotherhood. Good thing, when they went to court, because he was arrested trying to build the nation by the wicked ones. Will not be surprised for you to hear someday that even what we're doing here, some wicked politicians, wicked people at some place who are benefiting from this troubled water will come after us. We'll be surprised. And we are 100% battle ready for whoever will come to stand against building this great nation, Nigeria. We are prepared. So never think we are not chickening, we are not jittery. We are 100% solidly, undilutedly prepared. They went to court as they are ready. Just that day, he quoted the Constitution of the United States of America that says all Americans are equal. The presiding judge had no option. There were no two sittings. It was just that day sitting. He declared segregation law in the United States of America illegal. Today, the United States of America became one. And it was based on this dream, based on this activity, the likes of Barack Obama became the president of the United States of America. I don't know who had told you that there's a section that cannot rule this country, or there's a person that cannot rule this country, provided you meet the criteria that makes you a citizen of this country, provided you meet the criteria that give you the franchise to vote, you are qualified to contest or to be voted for into any position in this country. We are prepared to see a time where I could be in Kaduna, contest for the governorship election, and win. I could be in Lagos, contest for gubernatorial election and win. I could equally be in Enugu, contest for presidential for gubernatorial seat and win. And nobody will raise the eyebrow to tell me you are not from this place. We are all Nigerians. We must have these things settled in our minds. Our case has not gone to a law. It has not been established as a law. It is the thing of the mind. Our minds need to be educated, and our minds need to be civilized. Once our minds are civilized, all of this is gone. The truth is that we are being used against ourselves for the common purpose of the ones at the top. This was what they established from independence. Why here we fight against ourselves that we are not one, over there they see themselves as one. Thank you. We'll draw the curtain here once again. For more info, check the details on the screen, our website and YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.